So it's Mark and Amy's last day. We're going on a boat tour today as a last splurge excursion.
Sailboating all day.
Going on a sailboat. I think just like snorkeling stuff. Well, they don't provide equipment, but you know, you can just like swim around.
Bug bite is massive.
So we leave at 8:30. It's 8:12. We're about 15 minutes away, and we're just buying some last-minute snacks. We got chips and salsa, some peanut butter, and some tortillas, and some water. So we woke up at 7, ran to the store, like rushed, got ready, washed the veggies, ate breakfast, everything, thinking that we were getting picked up at 8:30, and then it turns out it's at 10. So now we're just gonna sit for an hour and a half. So just going for the morning run by the ocean in Colombia. What could be better? Life is great.
Our morning run is better than yours.
Roast them. This is the view we're dealing with. Not too shabby. We were actually right here last night with our picnic. We're literally in a pediatrics office. Yep. Boating. Also, he's talking on a walkie-talkie. So, you know.
Music.
This is so creepy.
Some little like things like what?
Yeah, we have these curtains. Like, okay. So we went to the marina to get on our boat. They have no idea what we're talking about. All we have is this little deposit slip of the money we already paid. He's like, I don't know what that is. So we're just like walking home now because we have no idea what to do. So we're in our third taxi of the day, heading back to the marina because now
The right person's waiting for us.
there's someone waiting for us,
there.
our boat person. It is in fact 3 hours later than we thought it would be. But we still have time, it's still early. It's a miracle, we have reached the marina. And now we're waiting for others because there are 6 other people who are coming on the boat with us. And they're not here yet, so we're just gonna chill here a little longer, hopefully not too long.
I thought you were talking about
Take off.
Woo!
2 White Claws in.
Our first stop of the day. Here we have Mark with his GoPro, and I'm watching it on this screen. So we have part 3, GoPro trying to get a nice gram pic. Okay. Where would you like me to hold this? Looking good? Alright. Take 3, remember, arms together, legs together. So, we're just chilling here.
I want something else.
We've been docked for a few hours. And we've just been swimming around. They have snorkels and flippers and stuff. Taking some GoPro videos. It's really nice. The water's cold, the sun is hot, it's great.
Beautiful day.
This is the national park where we were a few days ago, so full circle. Yeah, great day. We're here for like another hour and a half, and then we have an hour boat ride back, and then we're gonna go eat some dinner. So I'm just chilling alone on the boat now. I made a rap right before all this drama went down over here. They caught a stingray, and everyone from the boat, including like the sailor and everyone, swam over there, and they're killing it on the surf now. So that's cool. And I'm just watching here with my rap, entertained, kind of. We're gonna take off soon. Maybe in like 20 minutes, depending on when our sailor man gets back over here to take us home. We got the sail up for the first time all day. more translations. It's supposed to be Missouri like the state, but it's
Missouri.
So we got our food, and my burger is literally sour and falling apart. I also ordered it with no mayonnaise and no cheese, and they brought it out with mayonnaise and cheese. Then I sent it back and they brought it out with just cheese, and the man smushed it in the bun. Well, this is the end. These people are leaving tomorrow morning, so we had our last night, our last family dinner. The family is getting smaller and smaller.
Burgers.
Yeah,
Sour
disgusting.
burgers.
Disgusting last
Below
meal, to be
average.
honest. Very below average.
Yeah. But it
And-
cost us $20 US for 3 meals
And 8
and a bucket of
beers.
beers.